How to change your birth date on Snapchat. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can change your birth date on Snapchat. In order to change your date of birth on Snapchat, first thing first, update your application and then log in into your Snapchat account. Once you're logged into your account, go ahead and tap on the profile icon or the Bitmoji icon from the top left hand side corner. After that, it's going to direct you to the profile page, and right on this page, go ahead and tap on the gear icon. Once you tap on the gear icon, it's going to take you to the settings page, and under my account you can see birth date. So tap on the birth date, and here you can see that choose carefully. You can only change your birth date a limited number of times. So in order to change your birth date, you only have certain amount of time, such as maybe 2 times or once in a year only. So if you're sure about it, just go ahead and select the date of birth. If you're unable to see the option that will enable you to change your birth date, then it means you've already changed your birth date and your limitation has been covered. So in order to change your birth date, now go ahead and select the date of birth, and if you're sure about it, then click on the continue button. So as you can see that the birth date has been changed, so click on the OK button, and here you go that the birth date has been changed. So in this way you can change your birthday on Snapchat. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.